In today's video, I want to recognize and talk about a crucial part of any cruise experience, which many of us often overlook. I'm talking about the fantastic crew on board all cruise ships. The crew members work hard day and night to make our voyages seamless and unforgettable experiences. And without them, our adventures on board would never be the same. This video is my tribute to all the crew members on board of the Wonder of the Seas and other cruise ships currently in service for their hard work and dedication. Let's go! Hello cruise mates, welcome to the channel. Even if you never have set foot on a cruise ship, you have probably heard that the crew on board works around the clock, every day, to create special moments for all passengers. And that's the most pure truth. They also spend months away from their families, and lately, because of the pandemic, they must work wearing masks every day for our protection. And during this trip, they couldn't even get off of the ship because of port restrictions. And for all this dedication, I want to acknowledge the fantastic Wonder of the Seas crew, who despite all setbacks, still found the energy and motivation to be one of the most impressive groups of people I have ever encountered working aboard a cruise ship. The crew members helped make this trip one of the most memorable for me in years. Starting with the cabin attendant, who took care of us and our cabin every day as if we were part of the family. Also, passing by the wash team at the entrance of the Windjammer, which every day managed to put a smile on our faces. Not forgetting to highlight the impeccable team of waiters and supervisors, not only in the ship's buffet, but also in the main dining room and in all other dining areas of the ship, such as the Café Promenade, Park Café and the specialty restaurants. Including the chefs and the entire crew working behind the scenes to create magic every day. You all made this trip an unforgettable experience, and I can't wait to see you again in future voyages. I also can't forget to mention the entertainment team members, putting together hours and hours of trivia, karaoke, and creating outstanding productions and shows just for our delight. The two members of the excursion desk, from the next cruise area, and the guest service desks. You guys rock! I won't be able to feature everyone here, but I would love to thank all the Wonder of the Seas crew members with this video. I really enjoyed spending this time on board by your side, getting to know each one of you, hearing your stories and experiences, and learning more about your origins and curiosities of the countries you come from. Cruisers, the next time you're on board, recognize the crew members. They work hard, spend months away from their families, and do everything in their power to make your vacation unforgettable. So remember that you are on vacation and leave the bad mood and stress at home. A smile can make a big difference in someone's life. Happy and safe sails, everyone. See you in the next video.